Hey guys, welcome back to the Crazy Hours. I'm gonna show the rules of chess and how you play it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the chessboard. Instead of calling it chessboard, I would call it battlefield between the white team and the black team. So I'm gonna teach you what all the pieces do. Now guys, I'm gonna start with the white team because the white team always goes first. So here's the pawn. The pawn is always in the second row, and also how they move. When they start here, they can go front once or they can go twice. So when they go twice, they can't go twice like that. When they go twice first, they can keep going once, okay? And then you have to keep all the pawns. You keep going and going and going. How the white team moves, the black team moves the same way. So they both move after each other. So first the white and then the black. I'm going to show you the second piece, that is a rook. It's also known as the elephant. The elephant stays at the edge of the battlefield, and it also moves up, down, side to side. I added both of the rooks to each team, and now the third piece is the knight, also known as the horse. The horse stays right next to the rook, and it moves in an L shape. So like this, 1, 2, and then like that, 1, 2, and like that, 1, 2, and like that. Once again, I added all the horses next to the rooks. The fourth piece is the bishop, also known as the camel, and the camel stays right next to the horse, and it also goes diagonal. Okay, guys, I kept the bishops next to the horses, and now the fifth piece is the king. The fifth piece is the king, and the king is the most important piece in the game because the whole game is about the king to survive and not die. So I can't show you how it moves here because it's only 2 squares. So I'm going to show it here. The king can only move 1 square any direction. So you can go here, 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 or here. And the white piece can only choose to go in any of these 8 squares. And also the black piece can. The king is placed on the opposite color in the remaining 2 squares. Last but not least, the queen. The queen goes right next to the king. And also, this one goes right next to the king. And guys, since there's only 1 dot, I can't show you how it moves. So I'm gonna show you here. The queen can go anywhere. Like you can go here, 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 how much? But it can't do that in one move. So it can only do that, and then the other person has to move, and then it can do that. Not like in one move, it can't do that. This is the end of our video. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!